Hi everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, I'll guide you through writing a confirmation letter, a professional way to confirm details about an agreement, event, or arrangement. Whether you're organizing an event, scheduling a meeting, or confirming a service, this type of letter is essential for clear communication. We'll break down a sample confirmation letter step by step, so you'll know exactly what to include and why. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident writing one yourself. Let's dive in. Header section, sender's information. First, let's look at the header section. Here's what the sample includes. Elegant Events Incorporated, 456 Westfield Avenue, Los Angeles, California, 90001. Info at elegantevents.com, 555 987 6543. This section identifies the sender, Elegant Events Inc. It includes their company name, address, email, and phone number. This is important because it tells the recipient exactly who the letter is from and provides multiple ways to contact the sender if needed. When you're writing your own letter, include accurate and professional contact details. If you're representing a company, use official stationery or make sure your company name is clear. Date and recipient's information. Next, the date and recipient's details. November 15th, 2024, Sophia Turner. 789 Maple Street, Austin, Texas, 73301. Including the date ensures there's a clear record of when the confirmation was sent. This can be helpful for tracking timelines, especially for payments or deadlines. Then, list the recipient's full name and address. In our example, the letter is addressed to Sophia Turner, who booked the event. This part of the letter needs to be formatted neatly. It shows professionalism and ensures the document looks official. Subject line, clear purpose. The subject line here reads, Subject, confirmation of event booking. The subject line is concise and directly states the purpose of the letter. It helps the recipient understand what the letter is about before they even start reading. For any confirmation letter, aim to use a short subject line that gets straight to the point. Greeting and opening paragraph, show gratitude. The letter begins with a polite and professional greeting. Dear Ms. Turner, this is followed by the opening paragraph. Thank you for choosing Elegant Events Inc. for your upcoming event. We are pleased to confirm the details of your booking as follows. Notice how this paragraph starts by expressing gratitude. This sets a friendly tone and builds a positive relationship with the recipient. When you write your own letter, always start with a thank you. It's a small gesture that makes a big difference in how your message is received. The sentence then transitions into the purpose of the letter, confirming the details of the booking. Being direct about why you're writing is key to keeping the letter clear and professional. Details. Section, Event Breakdown. Next, we have the main body of the letter, which lists the event details. Event details. Date, December 15th, 2024. Time, 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. Location, Grand Ballroom, Elegant Events Venue, 123 Luxury Lane, Los Angeles, CA 9001. Guest count, 100. This section is highly specific. It provides the date, time, location, and expected guest count. For a confirmation letter, details are everything. Including this information ensures both parties are on the same page and helps avoid any misunderstandings. When you're writing a confirmation letter, take the time to review the details carefully. Include everything that's relevant, like dates, times, or locations, and double-check for accuracy. Services section. Additional details. Here's the next part of the letter. Services included: full venue rental, catering services, buffet-style dinner, audio-visual equipment setup, on-site event coordinator. This section outlines what's included in the booking. Listing services like this not only provides clarity, but also gives the recipient confidence that everything they requested is accounted for. If you're confirming a service or agreement, always include a breakdown of what's being provided. This eliminates confusion and sets clear expectations for both parties. Request for action. deadlines, and attachments. The letter then moves into action items for the recipient. To ensure everything is arranged to your satisfaction, we kindly request you review the attached event agreement and return a signed copy by November 22, 2024. A deposit of $1,500 has been received, and the remaining balance of $3,500 is due by December 8, 2024. This part is crucial. It provides deadlines for the recipient to act on, reviewing the agreement, signing it, and paying the remaining balance. Notice how the writer mentions that the deposit has already been received. This reassures the recipient that their payment has been acknowledged. When writing your own letter, always include clear instructions if there's something the recipient needs to do. Be specific about deadlines, amounts, or documents to return. Offer for assistance. Open communication. The next section reads, "If you have any changes or additional requests, please do not hesitate to contact us at 555-987-6543 or info@elegantevents.com. We are committed to making your event a memorable experience." This is a great way to show that you're open to communication. Providing contact information again makes it easy for the recipient to reach out if they have questions or need to make changes. It also reinforces your commitment to good service. When you're writing your own confirmation letter, always include an invitation for further communication. This shows professionalism and builds trust. Closing paragraph, gratitude, and sign-off. The letter concludes with another expression of gratitude. Thank you for entrusting us with your special occasion. We look forward to hosting your event and providing exceptional service. Ending on a positive note leaves a great impression. It shows appreciation and enthusiasm for the partnership or arrangement. Finally, the letter is signed off professionally. Sincerely, Lauren Michaels, Event Manager. Elegant Events, Incorporated, Sincerely is a classic and formal choice for closing a letter. It's followed by the sender's name and title, which adds a personal touch and reinforces their authority. And that's how you write a confirmation letter. Let's quickly recap the key points. Start with clear and accurate sender and recipient information. Use a concise subject line to state the purpose of the letter. Include all relevant details, like dates, times, and services. Clearly outline any next steps or deadlines for the recipient. Close with gratitude and an offer to assist with any questions. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials. If this guide helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step writing tips. See you in the next video.